just another sunrise on another day, just another rainbow, well they're all the same. Let me guess a sunset followed by the moon. I think I'm ready for something new. It's just another love song about another girl, just another movie where they save the world. And every roller coaster does a loop-de-loop. I guess I'm ready for something new. Now I'm not saying life is boring, just predictable sometimes. When you know the end of every other line is gonna rhyme. After every age you're always gonna find a 9. And February 2nd will be cold outside. I predict a summer that isn't very long. Then before you know it, we're singing Christmas songs. And then we get another April, May and June. I think I'm ready for something new.